Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we're going to have a look into this box. And in a second, you will see what this is all about. It is a pretty big box. I will try to make it fit as good as possible here. You will see in a second, though. And here we are. So, what we're having is a shower set, basically. And it comes in different pieces, and you have to like probably figure out how you're gonna do that because it is a little more of the complicated side, but it's definitely manageable, and you will see that here as well in a sec. I will try and show that as good as possible. So as you see, we've got like all the separate parts to install it. Everything is included here, so it should not be as complicated, to be fair. And it is made pretty well. And in the end, you will have yourself some, I think it's called rain shower. Is that what you call that? Um, when it's coming from the top and has like really fine little drops and all that. But yeah, pretty straightforward, not too complicated to install for sure. It has also a decent manual to guide you through the process. So I would say it's not much to complicated or to complain about here. And this is what it looks like when it's installed. Looking good, liking it, and that's gonna be it for today, you guys.